Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for even clicking on the video. And I want to say before we start the video, thank you for all the 41 subscribers. Honestly, just by doing this, just because I felt like it and I wanted to, and I just wanted to put out content on cars that no one really modifies, and you guys are subscribing and actually watching. I really appreciate it. On that note, for today, today's Fuel Fest, where I'm gonna be heading down there today, this evening. There's gonna be a group of us, so it's gonna be a lit day today. First time at a Fuel Fest event, and I'm also gonna try to get some ride-alongs for the drifting as well. And yeah, and I'll catch you when I get there. Later. Well, we made it, but there's a long ass line, so don't know how long that's gonna be until we get there. It's all the way down there though. Long ass line behind us too. Yep. I'll pick up the camera once we actually get in there, or if we move any forward. Clean GTR. Call that Cody Walker inspired edition. Oh snap! I just peeped that. That's clean. Imagine. Clean up my car, it'll look clean as hell. Yeah, basically the same car as mine. Sheesh. Right, trap the roof. I gotta paint my car though. This is still crazy though. I want a GTR too. I want everything, honestly. Carbon wing. After you, bro. Go ahead. this 86 looks nice. Oh, my bad, Lexus. You like it or not? 32? I'm sorry. Has RB in it. Oh my god. Man, that ride along was crazy. I'm trying to see if I can go again. I'm gonna ask another driver if they'll let me tag along. But anyway, before we do that again, I'm starving. See if I can get something to eat. Got a clean 370 here on the floor.
Access to the Barrett Jackson Show. That's right, South Florida. You can win your VIPs. Catch them if you already bought
I think
them. Sell them in Jamaica. Do what you gotta do to make it to the Barrett Jackson auction.
Yeah,
right here.
that's still clean though.
April 18th to the 20th. Don't miss it and stop by the Barrett Jackson display for more information and to enter. So
has the flares.
We also got USB Motorsports in the building. Renowned for 7 wagons and drag racing. Motorsports.com. If you need it too, they will tune it into it. Forever for kids to win. 1 amazing raffles all day. I think they're down to 5 raffles. They've already done 1. They're giving away stuff all day long. But check them out. Go see them. Go shout them out. Tell them Kid Carter sent you.
Nice Evo. I think it's Evo 8. This is my dream car right here. Absolute dream car. Carbon fiber wing. Big old exhaust.
Big shout out to Elite Fleet Group.
I like the black.
Rev up the excitement as our distinguished partner, Elite Fleet Group, the epitome of luxury car rental. As perceived, you need to go night or day out. Stop by and into their booth today. They got all the exotics you need. You must be old enough to drive it and insurance to ride it. So go check it out. Get your dream car rental or win your dream car date night.
Can't really tell. It looks black, but it's actually blue.
Don't forget about the Direct from Tokyo show, brought to you by the one and only eBay Motors. A million quality parts to give you the right fit at the right price. eBay's guaranteed fit gets you everything that you need or your money back from every order.
Another 33.
Find the right parts for your car at the right
Carbon,
price.
all carbon.
eBay Motors. Don't forget to go all the way through the amazing JDM display. eBay Motors is put on right there in the display. They've got some amazing cars in there. Check them out. Be sure to tag FuelFest at FuelFest on Instagram. And big shout out to my US Drift Circuit boys out there burning those tires. I don't know if they're even doing ride-alongs anymore. They had so many people showing up ready to ride drift rides all day long. And last but not least, RM1 Designs revolutionizing the industry in premium carbon fiber components, accessories, and style. If you want to ride, elevate your driving experience with the aerodynamic style and performance of RM1 Designs. I'm your boy Kid Carter. We got a couple commercials, we gotta pay some bills, and then we can get right back to the party right here. South Florida Fuel Fest, West Palm Beach 2024. Don't forget to get your merchandise. Go check out the Reach Out Worldwide Merchandise XCOM is Weird to Live right here, Fuel Fest.
Oh snap, I see another Lambo. I see another Lambo. I'm hungry though. A Lambo, a McLaren, sitting pretty. Jeez.
7-minute countdown to Ocelot. And Zach Ivy and Ocelot. 7 minutes and counting. I saw that. Bring my drink back, and a sea Cody Jack and a cheap laugh. Said I only mess with it because the seat fat, like you can keep that, but we can rap it. Fuel Fest, how y'all feeling out there? Y'all feeling real good today? That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's a true story. That's like they said you're gonna look like Nelly on stage or something.